I got a great deal on this bag and I just couldn't put it off anymore. So she's here. So hello beautiful, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is ITSYECHIMA and I create fashion, beauty, and lifestyle videos. And today's video, as you've seen in the title, it's about my first luxury bag, and I can't wait to make this reveal. It's been long awaited, for me at least. So if this is your first time and you enjoy the video, please go ahead and like and subscribe. I would love to have you over here. All right, so we're gonna get right into this reveal. So this bag has been on my wish list for quite some time, and if you are subscribed to my blog, Essenceandstyle.com, then you would already have an idea of what that bag is. So let's just get into it. So the bag is from Saint Laurent and it's the Rive Gauche linen tote, and I've been eyeing this for about a year now. My birthday came around and I could not put it off any longer. And I'm so happy that I put it out on my luxury wish list. Like, me personally, I've always loved nice things and I love treating myself. And my birthday came around, I got a great deal on this bag and I just couldn't put it off anymore. So she's here. All right, so first of all, I did not get it in a box because I did not order it from the YSL site. Initially, when I went to purchase it, you had to pre-order it and I didn't want to wait. And so I went on Nordstrom and I wasn't ready at that point to spend the money that it costs. But then I did some more research and found a great deal on Saks Fifth Avenue, and the rest is history. She is here. So it's the Rive Gauche linen tote, and she is all that I ever wanted. She's a beauty and I love it. So ever since I purchased this bag, I've been using it just about every day. So I still go into work, so this bag is what I take. Before I got this bag, I used to take like 2 bags with me to work, one with like work notes in a little cloth tote, and the other bag was my Chanel Chevron dupe. So now that I have this is basically all that I use for work currently. Now this bag is great for travel. It's also great for like doing quick errands, which is what I also use it for as well. Like I went into Target the other day and I didn't even need to use a card or anything when I went to check out. I just popped everything in this bag and went on my way. Initially, I wasn't sure what colorway I wanted because there's 2 colors. There's the black and white and then there's this beige. Initially, I was gonna get the black and white because I was like, okay, it's black. It's not going to show like dirt easily, but I thought about the beige and I'm like, this goes better with my like wardrobe. Like most of the stuff that I have in my wardrobe is neutrals and this is just perfect. I think having the black handles is what kind of sold me with it. I think if it was like a tan, I would not have been interested in this colorway, but I love that it has the black handles because that way, I mean, it would last a lot longer because this is also leather. And the canvas is just so good. You can easily wipe any stains away. I love the option of it having nothing on one side and having the logo on the next. I just love that. So I get some really good wear out of it. If I was gonna get a really good tote, it had to be one like this. Now you guys know that I had this Tory Burch tote, which is what I did use for when I travel or if I'm going on photo shoots and I need to pack a lot in one bag, then that is what I did use. But now that I have this could pack so much more, and I really love that. If you've heard my tummy, I'm sorry, I'm hungry. I haven't eaten anything yet for the day. I love the fact that it has a button clasp opener as opposed to like a flap or a zip. I just love that it's very easy to open. So it came with it lightly stuffed, and as you can see, I still have the tag on it. It also came with the authentication card, but that's really good. It just has this one little zip pocket, which is fine because I could just put whatever I need to put in here. I could pop my keys in, I could pop a little lip gloss, I could pop a little perfume, hand sanitizer, you know. I do want to get it more organized because it is so open. So I am in the market for a organizer. So if you have any suggestions, please leave them down in the comments and I will definitely check it out. You know, I'm gonna stand up so you guys can see how big it is compared to like me. So I can wear it over my arm like that. Great for the beach. I've worn it on my hook. It's very, very easy to wear. This is how it looks next to me. Like it's very huge, but so worth it. So worth it. And if I haven't mentioned, I have a mic now, guys. So if I am too loud, please let me know in the comments. I do project my voice, so if this is a little bit too loud, I would make the adjustments in my upcoming videos. It can get a little heavy when you put all your, well, for me, I put a lot of stuff in here, so it does get a little bit weighted in my hand because it doesn't have like a shoulder strap or anything. It just this handle, which is about 6.7 inches in drop. It's a really big bag, very spacious. I can fit quite a lot in here. I could put like my laptop, I could put my notebooks, I could put my purse, I can put a bottle of water, I can even fit my camera in here. So it holds quite a lot and I can appreciate that. The only thing I really didn't like is that it didn't come in the box, like the Saint Laurent box, because I really love the aesthetic. Like I love black and white, but that's okay. The duster bag that it came in is very doable. I love that it's black on the outside and white on the inside, so it is just great for like storing the bag. And I have space in my closet, so it wouldn't be a problem, but I use this every day. So I'm very happy that I was able to get this for my birthday. And I know things are very crazy right now, and you know, I could have done other things as opposed to buying a bag, but you know, it's what I wanted. You know, I wanted to feel fabulous and it made me happy, and so why not? God has been good to me and I am so thankful that I was able to do this for myself. But I not only got this bag for my birthday, I also got another one. So the next bag that I got is very hard to come by. It's from LV, but I am very happy that I was able to get my hands on it. And it's the, as you can tell by this size, it's the Louis Vuitton Toiletry Pouch 26. We're now in September. I got both of these bags a few days after my birthday, so it's been about a month since I've had both bags and I've been using it like crazy. I did not have this on my wish list, but for the price that I got, I was like, why not? Why not? So it is everything. I got an organizer from Amazon, so this definitely helps. I really like it. I love the size. I love that I can wear it as a clutch and also as a toiletry pouch. So currently I use it as a toiletry pouch. So this goes actually in my tote bag. So that works out. So like I can keep all my, well, I haven't put any makeup in here. I have my purse, I have some perfume, I have some hand sanitizer, I have face powder, and I have a really cool organizer that I got from Amazon. I think it was like $9. It wasn't expensive at all, but I really just love it. Guys, I do have a actual luxury birthday haul coming up. Be on the lookout for that. I'm actually going to be recording that right after this one, So you're probably gonna see both of these in the same week. All right guys, so that is the end of my video. Thank you so much for watching. I just really wanted to share my purchase with you guys, and hopefully it brings some type of light and excitement, and you're able to manifest the things that you want out of your life as well. Make sure you write them down, make sure you say it out loud, make sure that you believe that you're gonna receive it. Okay, so, and do the work. Do the work. So yeah, that is the end of my video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it. I'm also trying to get my numbers up, so if you really enjoy this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share it with your friends, and I would really appreciate it. Again, thank you so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.